Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Hulu account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then simply type in hulu.com, and once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now keep in mind that in order to delete your account, the first thing that you need to do is cancel your subscription. Now Hulu forces you to cancel the subscription in order to delete your account. So if you want to delete your account, you have to cancel your subscriptions as well. But if you don't want, you can just simply pause the active subscriptions. Now what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then once you tap on it, you'll be seeing your name on the top right corner as well. Simply tap on it, and then once you do that, all you gotta do is scroll down, and on the privacy and settings you'll be seeing your California privacy rights. Now all you gotta do is click on it or tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be seeing the option that says right to delete. Now all you gotta do is simply click or tap on the start deletion, and once you do that, here you'll be seeing a window on start account deletion. Now all you gotta do is read all the information that is given to you, and you can either delete your account now or you can delete your account later. Either you can just simply select the option and then click on start deletion, and once you do that, the deletion process will start and you will have successfully deleted your Hulu account. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.